got a 2017 GMC Acadia, and what's going on with it?
Well, I went up a while ago to make an errand. My key fob would not unlock the door, so I used my key to gain access, and nothing comes on.
Okay.
No lights, no rear lights, no dashboard lights. I checked my battery. I have a DC meter, and I have a good charge in my battery.
Okay. And have you checked the fuses?
Well, no, I'm not sure which ones to check or what to check and know where to start.
Okay. No problem. So let me ask you this. None of the lights come on inside the vehicle or outside of the vehicle. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. So if that's the case, then I would recommend that we start with the main or the maxi fuses. Okay, so because it sounds like everything let me back up. It sounds like nothing is getting power. So that means that there's
Right.
that there's going to be a fuse or a fusible links. If the battery is not the problem, it's going to be closer to the battery, further upstream, right off the battery or one of the main ones in the power distribution center. So what I would do if I were you, grab your voltmeter, and what you're going to want to do is, make sure that the cables and connections are clean and tight. And if they are, you can go find the fuses, the main fuses in the main fuse box under the hood. And then I would look for the biggest ones possible and start by checking those ones first. Now, I just pulled up a wiring diagram of the power distribution of your vehicle. Listen to this. You have an underhood fuse block on the left side of the engine compartment, right? But you also have a battery fuse block in the left front of the engine compartment. So I have a feeling this battery fuse block is probably either attached to the positive battery post or really close to the battery. And this one's got some main fuses in it. So fuse number 5, for example, is a 250 amp fuse that powers up your other underhood fuse block. Fuse number 1, it's a 150 amp fuse, powers up your rear fuse block. Fuse number 2 powers up your instrument cluster. That's a 100 amp fuse. Number 3 powers up your instrument cluster, and so on. So there are fuses 1 through, looks like 10 in this battery fuse block. So to answer your question, my friend, I would recommend that you start here.
Okay. And okay, I'll do that. Then can I call you back or what?
Yeah, you can just reply back online. This number doesn't take incoming calls, but you can reply back to our conversation. Let me know the results. If the fuses are good, and if the cables and connections are clean and tight, and if the battery isn't the problem, then I would recommend that you use your voltmeter to measure voltage on all of these fuses that are actually good, right? Because that will help us locate where we're losing power. Maybe we have a bad fuse box. Maybe there's a connection issue, at the fuse box, or maybe it's somewhere further downstream, closer to, inside the vehicle. But let's just run some basic tests and go from there. And yes, you can always reply back online.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you, Am. I appreciate you calling me back and giving me the information.
All right, my friend, you're welcome. Good luck, okay?
Thank you.
You bet.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.